Welcome everybody. My name is Agar and we're here at Marc Adams, and this week we are doing a signature class of mine, and we're going to be doing a lot of embellishment on the surface. So we'll be doing bowl turning, platter turning, boxes, vessels, and a couple of things behind me I will show you that we're doing. So we're going to do a patina, different metal patinas on the surface using pyrography, carving tools, Dremels. Sometimes we'll airbrush some colours onto the wooden surface. So that's what we usually cover in the first couple of days, that particular type of embellishment. We'll also be using micromotors, and this is a vessel that has been airbrushed and also carved using pyrography and also a wood burner. So a great deal of carving can actually be done using a burner, and these little trilobites on this natural voided vessel are just a bunch of fun. So we've got a surface and we're going to get busy on it. I'm just going to show you now a little demonstration of a texture using one of these micromotor tools. Just put my safety gear on here. So a little bit noisy in the background, you have to excuse us. So this is held in a heavy chuck and it's sitting on some router mat. I'm going to turn this on around about 24,000 RPM, and this little cutter is going to give me a really nice texture. So this is a very crisp texture. If I shine the light on it at an angle, you probably see it a little more. And what we'll do is we'll use some tools to clean up any little torn areas after the whole piece is carved. And this one's going to look like water. So each student will be turning a small bowl, and then it will have this lid that fits in. And then we'll turn an off-center finial, which in this instance will be a small boat, which is then the item we lift the lid on and off with. So it's all about texture this week, it's all about the turning techniques and a bunch of fun. And every student certainly comes out of their shells with experimentation. And there's a lovely lady to my left here who's already got a design of a forest floor and a toadstool coming out of the forest floor from her texture. So it invites people to be individual, and my job just to coach them along the way and have a great time. So thanks for visiting round. It's nice to see you, as always. And just come and have fun. It's a great place to be. But I'll see you next time.